Okay, I thought it might be helpful if I gave you a little video tour um, of my website. The web page is on my site for the Python course. Um, I know you guys have already seen this main page and you've downloaded and installed Python. Let's see, I upgraded the syllabus. Um, Thank you again, Christopher, for noticing about the resources and materials needed updating, and this version is updated on the course site as well. And I actually used a little programming trick here. You'll notice I didn't put the name of the uh, book here. I just put a link to the page that has it. So actually, from now on, the only place you'll see the name of the required text is on this page. And the reason I did that, this is kind of a programming trick. As a programmer, you want to avoid redundant information or redundant code because of the fact, as we found out in this course, if you have to make changes, which a lot of the old course was copied over to this course. If you have to make changes, you want to set things up so that you just have to make a change in one place, because otherwise there's a good chance you're going to miss a change someplace and it didn't have good consequences for us. So hopefully this will make things better going forward. Again, the text is Investigations in Algebra, an approach to using Logo, which might seem like a weird choice for a Python course. I picked this book because it's the best discussion of combinatorics and number theory using programming that I've found. So what I did was I rewrote all the sample code in Python. So if you are curious about logos, you're welcome to go ahead and download a copy of Logo from this website right here. It's a free copy. There's a fantastic, 3-volume book on computer science using Logo, which I don't expect you to do in this course. But, if you want to just play around with some of the code or not, that's just there as an option for you. There are some videos that I put up by Bucky Roberts, which you've already started to look at. There's also an MIT course. If I would say, maybe after this course is done, if you still want to get deeper into Python, that's one place to look. There are these related links over here also that you can check out. And then I just put a bunch of optional texts. And I would generally discourage people from buying specifically a Python text just because there's so much really good free documentation available. So I would definitely check out all these freebies before I would look at buying anything to teach you specifically about Python. So that's the references section. I would like us to start doing reflections. So what I'm going to ask is every week, since we don't meet together in a classroom, it's really helpful for me to get a sense of how things are going for you. If you send me like a paragraph every week, just to let me know, are you getting bored? What are you excited about in the course? What is not working? That kind of stuff. If you're having trouble coming up with ideas of what to write, I have a bunch of sentence starters here, so you might want to, say, well, what takes up most of my time is, or what really frustrated me this week was, and then tell me about that. I'd really like to show you whatever, if you have something that you've been playing around that you want to show me, just to give me some ideas of, like I said, of what's going on. And you don't have to pick any of these. I don't expect you to, give me a sentence with each one of these. These are just ideas. So I'm just expecting, like I said, just a paragraph a week. Just send me an email and just let me know how things are going for the course. So, and this is an expected assignment for every week. So this will go towards your final grade. So it's an important thing for you to send to, and I'm doing that because it's an important thing for you to send to me. There are these pages with the videos on them. I just want to be really clear that these are accordion style videos. So on this page there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different videos. So when you're done looking at the numbers in math video, you click on variables and you go through the variables video, then you go through the modules and functions video, and then you look at the how to save your program video. Okay? Then underneath the videos are exercises for you to do. There's some good exercises in Learn Python the Hard Way. I took some out of there. You should, for some of these early programs, it's fine with me if you want to just highlight and copy into the into a Python file to just see how it works. I can go through really quick the new window save if Bucky's video wasn't clear on that. So, but let me know if you have any questions on that, on how to create or save a file, and if you do, I'll make a video on that. And then, yeah, there should be pretty good detail on what things should be looking like for you and what you should do. But if any of this is not clear, it's my job to make it clear. So, and it's your job to ask if you have any questions. So, absolutely ask. Absolutely feel free to talk with each other about this stuff if you have any questions, and or just shoot any emails my way. So I hope this helped. If you had to clear up any questions about this site and how to use it. If you have any further questions, just shoot me an email at tj@tjleone.com.